Hey guys, this is Chani and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about an overlook about Camtasia. A very basic and brief about the screen you can see in front of you. So here this is the menu bar. As you can see, there are different options: file, edit, modify, view, share and help. So we'll see each one of it in detail later. And this is the record button from where you can record your screen. So this is your media. Whatever file you will import will be seen here in your media bin. From here you have to simply click, drag and place it on your timeline. Second is this library. We will see each one of it in detail in my upcoming videos. It is just a brief. So this is library where you can make your own group. Suppose there are few things which is coming again and again in use, so you don't have to invest your time for making it all the videos the same way. So for that you make it once and you just put it in your library and use it whenever it is required. So that is what is library for. Second is this annotations, where you can see there are these callouts, arrows, shapes, some special features. Then you can sketch, and then there are some keystrokes. Then there is this transitions. As you can scroll up and down, you will see there are many types you can use as per your need. So these all effects gives a special character to your video. Then comes your behavior. You can add any of it in your text, in your headlines, in your images to give a special effect. And then there is this animation from where you can actually zoom in and zoom out, as you can see your window. From here you can go and fit it. From here you can change your canvas view. This is your canvas and your working window where you work also. We will see how. And these are the timeline or the tracks. So this is also your working window. As I've already told, you can actually work on it and change the locations as per your need. It's one of the amazing software. As you can see, you can also customize the duration of your element from here. If you want to copy the same image, at this point you simply have to select the image. You have to go to that time point and Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now there is one interesting thing. As you can see, this image is above the video and this image is below the video. So we'll see the difference, what happens. Yes. So what happens? The image or the element below your video, whatever elements you are using, if they are below your video, it won't be seen in your canvas and it won't be even there in your final video. So for any element to be seen, it has to be above your video track. So you can just set as per your requirement. Yes, this is how it is done. So this is your timeline, this is your cursor track. From here you zoom in and zoom out for your detail editing. As you can see now, it is more clearly visible. So this is to undo your previous step, as you can see, and this is to redo it if you want to do it again. From here you cut it simply and paste it, and this is your split command, and this is from where you export it. So as you click on more, you will see some more options. You can actually change your cursor type, you can narrate your voice, you can actually customize audio as well, have some beautiful visual effects, interactivity and captions. So we will see everything in detail. This was the very brief about Camtasia window, working screen in front of you. So that's all about it. I hope you like my video. Please like and share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Thank you.